In Lake County, nothing looks the same. Yesterday, there were homes here. Today, those homes are shells of what they used to be.
It's the worst disaster I've ever seen. I threw on 5 gallon
Calvin
buckets of
Higgins
water.
hasn't slept.
I'll bet I threw 150 buckets of water last night.
All night, the flames threatened the home he built. Higgins didn't leave.
I prayed and I go, God, don't let my house burn. Don't let my garage burn. I was very sincere and I'm going, please. And it was just like he said, fight it. They about sucked my pool
And
out.
his is the last home standing. All around him, there are still flames where it seems there's nothing left to burn.
My sister's house burnt. My neighbor's house burnt.
Surrounded everywhere he
The
looks.
guy that owns the coffee shop in Middletown burnt.
You're surrounded by burn.
By burnt houses. That's sad.
A drive through Middletown, just a block off of Highway 29, and this is what you see. Home after home burned to the ground. An apartment complex in ashes. This is not in a remote area. This is the big city for here. And here there is destruction wherever you turn.
It was overwhelming, just incredible.
Public Information Officer Doug Pittman says this was reminiscent of the Oakland Hills fire, more like a firestorm.
We had such severe winds both yesterday afternoon and last night, which really drove the fire from one side of the valley to the other.
CAL FIRE is still tallying the losses, more than 120 homes in Hidden Valley and the Ranchos alone. And that doesn't include entire blocks in Middletown that the fire reduced to rubble.
This is what's really heartfelt. Oh, man.
That fire burned through Calvin's collection of classic cars.
My 39 Chevy 2-ton pickup, they're all burnt.
Gone.
You know, but they're all material, you know?
The possessions are all gone.
This is serious.
But the ties to home remain,
There's so many people displaced and so many people out there crying.
even when there is no home to come back to.
It's going to take a long time to rebuild.